Saturday, August 2nd, and we're out in the boat. It's, I don't know, maybe 5 o'clock?
5 o'clock.
Something like that, 5 o'clock-ish in the evening. The lake is pretty calm. A little bit of a breeze, but not terrible. You might pick that up in the microphone, I don't know. David's at the helm. We're gonna get out here a ways and then just turn the engine off and drift and have dinner. We brought dinner along. Okay, here we are just coming out the end of this channel separating Big Detroit and Little Detroit lakes. There's the little island at the side of the channel. Kind of sunny back there. We stopped and ate some dinner, but we had my phone, which is obviously also my camera. We had that on Navionics, so we didn't do any video at that time. See a little sailboat over on the other side of the lake there. Still kind of windy, but a lot of that's just the apparent wind as we're cruising. What are we doing, about 5 miles an hour? Oh, yeah, we don't have that on because we took my phone off the Navionics. And anyway, we're headed back over to Longbridge.